Hi everyone, I am Jiten Singh and today we are going to study the chapter Madam Rides the Bus, and we have taken this chapter from First Flight, and it is written by Valliknan, and he was the South Indian writer. And the chapter, the main protagonist of the chapter is Valli Ammai. Valli Ammai in short form Valli, that is written of Valli. And the girl named Valli, she was very curious. She was very curious to just observe the things. And at that time when she was 8 years old, so that time she has not a playmates there. So she always stood in the doorway and watching the visitors. And sometimes the bus just has gone to the other city. So she always was that a bus. And the second topic, Valli's feeling for the bus riding. She always indulged herself in that watching the bus and the visitors of that bus. So she decided that and a feeling developed in her mind that she surely ride on that bus. Collected information about the bus journey, and after that when she decided that she would be surely and definitely ride on the bus somehow, so first thing what she did, that she started to collect the information about the bus from that passengers, the visitors. She sometimes asked the visitors many questions about that, what was the fare and what is the distance of that city, all the things she collected information. And one day the one visitor, he said that the fare of that 30 paisa from one side, on both sides 60 paisa. So she think that somehow managed to collect the 60 paisa. One afternoon, Valli entered the bus, and somehow when she managed to collect the money, so what she decided that afternoon she just boarded on that bus. And when she boarded on the bus, so that time only 6 to 7 passengers were there, and the conductor of the bus was very good. He was, sometimes he also passed some jokes on Valli. And as soon as he entered that bus, he just told that madam. What he told that to Valli, he said that is, he was a madam, journey and her curiosity. And after that, as soon as she sat on her seat, she started to looking the other side of that bus. It was there was the one side there was a canal, and after that beyond that canal there was a hill, there was a greenery there. She started to watch. On the other side there was a long ditch, and she started to enjoy that her journey. And between that, a old man who just sat beside her, he said that don't stood on the seat, otherwise you will just, as soon as the bus started to take a turn, you just become hurt. When she said that I am not a child, okay, I am a 8-year girl and I am able to cure herself. And after that, the conductor and his advice for Valli, the conductor also just advised her that Valli, madam, you just sit down on the seat, otherwise you fell on that seat and you become hurt from that. And Valli replied that she is not a girl, she is a grown-up child, and she has taken a ticket, and she also take a ticket from that conductor. And old woman enters the bus. And after that, one old woman, she entered the bus, and that time she was just chewing the betel nuts, and some juice of that betel nuts was just coming from the mouth and the ugly earring. Valli did not like that woman, but the woman asked Valli, because Valli was that time an 8-year-old girl. So that time the woman asked that, where are you going? Are you alone? Okay, and where you want to go that? So that time Valli replied that I am able to cure of myself, take care of myself. There is no need to take care of others. I am aware of my own way. Her plan for journey. When Valli was thinking about the journey, so that time when she think that what was the 60 passes, means how to collect the 60 passes there, because it is a huge amount for that little girl. So she just control herself whenever she got money for the fare. She controlled herself, she did not purchase toys and other things. Sometimes she just did not sat on that round go marry, and somehow she collected 60 paces. And see what she decided, that afternoon is a very perfect time when her mother had taken a lunch, and after that she slept. So this time was a very perfect time for Valli to just travel to the city by bus. And an incident of when Valli was indulged herself in watching the greenery outside, suddenly the driver of the bus slowed down the bus, because in front of that bus there was a cow and she was running. And what the driver did, that he blew the horn of that bus, and instead of give the side of the cow, the cow started to gallop. Gallop means the cow started to jumping, and this made Valli laugh. She started to clap and she started to laugh. She started to enjoy a lot. Conversation between the conductor and Valli. When the bus reached on the destination, all the passengers get down from that bus. Valli was still there. The conductor asked, "Why you still here?" Then Valli said that, "I only came here, only my motto was to travel on the bus. I am not interested to just watch to just went to the city. I want to return from that again the same bus." She wanted to return her village. So the conductor offered her cold drink, but she refused to take that cold drink. And after her return journey and the cow did, when the bus was returning from that city, so that time she started to watch the same things. She started to enjoying the same things. But suddenly what she saw, that the cow, when she was coming from that bus, the cow was dead. Means some driving bus or truck hit that cow, and the cow was dead. And this made Valli sad, and that's why she stopped watching outside of the bus. Valli's destination. As soon as Valli reached her destination, her village, she just get down from that bus, and the bus conductor said that whenever you want to just travel, you just remember me, and I would provide you help. So this is the story of that Madam Ride the Bus. This is a very beautiful prose written by Valli Kadam, where said that the 8-year girl, how she managed herself among the visitors, because her planning was very excellent. The way she planned, the way she just collected the money, the way she chose the perfect time when her mother was sleeping that time. So how she managed, and how she boldly faced the visitors, how she boldly faced the old man, how boldly she felt the old woman, and she became brave, and she also refused to take the cold drink by that bus conductor. So we should be bold. This is the message which is given by that Valli Kadam. So this is the end of the chapter, and we will meet